Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the candidate's time, phone number, and any required platform details so there's no confusion. Once done, pull up the resume and job descriptions side by side. This saves time and helps you ask targeted questions. Make sure to set your phone to do not disturb and arrange a quiet space. This prevents background noise and interruptions. Begin with a brief warm greeting and state the call's duration and goals so the candidate knows what to expect. You now move into the core. Ask 3 to 5 targeted technical or experience questions that reveal competency quickly. Use behavioral prompts, situation, task, action, result, so answers are concrete and measurable. Make short follow-ups to probe depth. For example, ask, "How did you solve that?" Or, "What was the outcome?" Meanwhile, capture verbatim quotes and score each competency on a 1 to 5 scale. This structure lets you compare candidates objectively and reduces bias. Finish by summarizing next steps, timeline, and who will follow up. Ask if the candidate has questions and confirm their email. Then immediately transcribe key points, your recommendation, and any concerns while the call is fresh. This saves re-listening later. If audio quality or connection interfered, offer to switch to video or reschedule. Poor audio can mask skills. Finally, file your ratings and highlights in the candidate tracker so hiring managers get a clear, timely handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.